In this program, we are going to understand the use of membership operators in Python, and this will be working on Python shell, that is the interactive mode. So here basically what we are doing is we are writing 10 in, and in the bracket we are giving the values like 40, 20, 10. So this in operator is a membership operator and it will return the value true if it finds the value inside the given values. Like here we are saying 10, so we can see that 10 is available over here with the given values inside the bracket within the parenthesis, so it will return true. However, if we give some value like up over here 30 for example, so 30 is not written inside these, so it will not find a match, then it will return false. Likewise, another membership operator is not in, so it gives the value true if it does not find the value inside the given values. Like here we have given the value 10 and the values to be searched with are 40, 20 and 10. So because there is a match, like 10 is available within the given values inside the parentheses, so it will return false. If we give some value like here, let's say 30, so 30 will not be inside the given values here like 40, 20, 10, so it will not find a match, then in that case it will return true. Likewise, another way of giving the values is using a variable. So we are saying variable grade, and we are giving the value as b plus, and after that we are just checking that whether this grade value, that is b plus, is this value inside within the given values within the parentheses. So if it finds the match, then it will give true. So here we can see that b plus value is available inside the given values, so it will return true. Likewise, another example is where we are giving a value as e, that the grade is e, and it will not find a match within the given values inside the parentheses up over here, so it will return false. Now here, because we are running it on Python shell, so I'll just simply copy paste the instructions from here on the Python shell for you to simply understand it quickly. So here we are saying 10 in and the range is 40, 20, 10, and press enter because it finds a match. So it is returning the value to be true, that there is a match for this value within the given range. Likewise, for not in membership operator, this is the statement that we are passing, and it is returning false, that because there is a match, 10 is inside the given values, so that is why it is returning false. Likewise, using a variable, so here we are saying the grade is b plus, so with this value we have to search using the membership operator, and here you can see that it is finding a match, so it is saying the result to be true. Likewise, for the next statement, we are giving a different value which will not be a match within the given values passed in the parentheses, so here it should return false. So this is how we work with membership operators in and not in operator.